Hi, welcome to the Success Seeds. The Talent Code, by Daniel Coyle, is a groundbreaking book that explores the origins of talent and how we can unlock our full potential. Coyle delves into the science behind skill acquisition and reveals the key factors that contribute to world-class performance in any field. Drawing on research from diverse disciplines, Coyle presents valuable insights and practical strategies for nurturing talent and achieving greatness. In this book, we will delve into the 10 key lessons from the Talent Code and explore how they can transform your journey towards mastery. Lesson 1. Deep Practice. Coyle emphasizes the concept of deep practice, which involves intense, focused effort aimed at improving specific skills. Deep practice involves pushing beyond our comfort zones, making mistakes, and learning from them. By embracing deliberate practice and adopting a growth mindset, we can continuously refine our abilities and reach new levels of expertise. Lesson 2. Ignition. Coyle highlights the importance of finding our passion, our ignition, as the driving force behind our pursuit of excellence. By identifying what truly inspires and motivates us, we can tap into our inner reservoir of dedication and commitment, propelling us towards continuous improvement and mastery. Lesson 3. Master Coaches. According to Coyle, the presence of master coaches is crucial for talent development. These coaches possess a deep understanding of their domain, provide precise feedback, and create an environment that fosters growth and learning. By seeking out mentors and coaches who can guide and challenge us, we can accelerate our progress and maximize our potential. Lesson 4. The Role of Myelin. Coyle introduces the concept of myelin, a substance that wraps around nerve fibers and enhances the speed and accuracy of signal transmission. Myelin is formed through deliberate and focused practice, and it plays a fundamental role in skill acquisition and talent development. Understanding the role of myelin empowers us to design effective training methods and optimize our learning processes. Lesson 5. Chunking. Chunking involves breaking down complex skills or concepts into smaller, manageable parts. Coyle emphasizes the power of chunking as a key learning strategy. By breaking skills into meaningful chunks, practicing them individually, and then integrating them seamlessly, we can accelerate our progress and improve our overall performance. Lesson 6. Struggle and Failure. Coyle highlights the importance of embracing struggle and failure as integral parts of the learning process. By viewing setbacks and mistakes as opportunities for growth, we can develop resilience, grit, and perseverance. Embracing a growth mindset and maintaining a positive attitude in the face of challenges enable us to overcome obstacles and achieve mastery. Lesson 7. The Power of Mindset. Mindset plays a significant role in talent development. Coyle emphasizes the value of cultivating a growth mindset, where we believe in our capacity to learn and improve. By viewing challenges as opportunities, embracing effort, and persisting in the face of setbacks, we can unlock our true potential and achieve extraordinary results. Lesson 8. The Importance of Feedback. Constructive feedback is essential for talent development. Coyle emphasizes the significance of timely and specific feedback in facilitating learning and improvement. By seeking feedback from mentors, coaches, and peers, we gain valuable insights and can make necessary adjustments to refine our skills and enhance our performance. Lesson 9. The Power of Motivation. Motivation is a key driving force in talent development. Coyle explores the role of intrinsic and extrinsic motivation, highlighting the importance of cultivating intrinsic motivation to sustain long-term progress. By aligning our goals with our values, finding joy in the process, and celebrating small wins, we can maintain our motivation and fuel our pursuit of excellence. Lesson 10. The Value of Deep Connection. Coyle emphasizes the significance of fostering deep connections and building supportive communities. Collaborating with like-minded individuals, sharing knowledge and experiences, and providing support and encouragement create an environment conducive to growth and excellence. By surrounding ourselves with individuals who believe in our potential, we can cultivate a sense of belonging and unleash our talents. Conclusion. The Talent Code offers a compelling exploration of talent development and provides valuable insights and strategies to unlock our full potential. By embracing deep practice, finding our passion, seeking master coaches, understanding the role of myelin, adopting a growth mindset, and valuing feedback and connection, we can accelerate our journey towards mastery. These 10 key lessons from Daniel Coyle's book can transform our approach to learning, empower us to overcome obstacles, and unleash our hidden talents, ultimately leading us to achieve greatness in our chosen fields. Thanks for watching. For more such videos, please subscribe.